It keeps on happening. I'm so affected. I have a migraine. I have a severe migraine right now. So apologies if either I make grammar or pronunciation errors or mistakes. I've made several videos trying to complete this video, but it's in good faith, also in assistance to my own rights and to my own defense. My name is Janette. I am mother of Diego Daniel Armenta and of Juan Ulises Diaz. This is the month of November of the year 2021. My phone number is 915-694-4196. I have an extreme extended greeting message on my cellular device unit through voicemail because of so much pain, because of all the crimes, the thousands of injustices we've been put through, so much persecution, so much retaliation, so much racism, and so much injustice that have been to and against me, to and against both my sons, and also to and against more people. I've had the same phone number possibly over 10 or over 11 years. I'm still being discriminated different ways. I still don't have the caller ID feature that I pay for included in my calling plan. And throughout the years, I've had to change my calling plan numerous times depending on my economic hardships. I have incurred severe hardships and struggles throughout the years because of numerous injustices. Now, either if it's an economic calling plan or a more advanced calling plan that's more expensive, either way, it costs money. It is not free. We pay money for the service. And we've been so affected. Numerous times throughout the years, people that cheated me, that cheated against me, that cheated against more people in my family, they abused of my phone number without my consent, without my authority. This was involuntary. This is more than criminal. They abused of my calling system numerous times throughout the years, including aggressors that had us completely affected and afflicted through severe domestic violence. At times, there were some times that they would just take my phone without asking me. They would abuse of my videos, of my pictures, of my messaging system, of my calling systems, constantly trying to incriminate me, constantly trying to frame me. We've been through a lot. And they constantly bragged of having influences either with a governmental agency of oil, or that if with Homeland Security agents, or that if with Immigration Customs Enforcement, and or also that with the prior, it used to be mentioned the name, U.S. Customs and other like immigration agencies that either changed their name or that shut down. Persecution and retaliation throughout the years has been extreme. People that maliciously abused of my calling systems, either when I had telephone service, landlines in different places where we lived, and or through cellular phone devices, they caused us a lot of pain. They caused us harm, severe confusions, severe misunderstandings, severe injustices, thousands of injustices. And the fact is that there is a lot of discrimination and that racism does happen. It hurt me when numerous aggressors were hitting me, were affecting me, were forcing me against myself, against my sons, and were doing similar to possibly more people and or more family. It hurt. All the times we were put through being hurt, hit, assaulted, beat. Does this have anything to do with a very racist Immigration Customs Enforcement and Homeland Security racist agents that cheated against my birth records, that cheated and forced me into processing? Or does this have anything to do with the extremely racist and abusive judges that ruled against me through different categories that also caused a lot of harm to us and for other people to hurt us different ways through severe persecution? What people is it this time? What entity is it this time? Are other people being affected? Is someone else being affected? Are they doing the same thing to someone else? These type of injustices are not just simple injustices. These are severe injustices. This surpasses employee misconduct. These are crimes. This is severe racial injustice. This is a form of cruel punishment, retaliation. Why? Why? I pay for this service. I don't get any of these services free. And it affects me that numerous times throughout the years when I've needed my services most, when I can't use them, or when my social media accounts have been attacked, or when my calling system is being probably abused and misused by someone else, or when my messaging system is probably being used and abused by someone else, or when personal data, information, videos, and pictures have been stolen either by identity thieves, by impostors, by usurpers, or by people that abuse the technology to cheat against us and to cheat us. What people is it this time? Of course I'm affected. And I am very concerned. From Fabens, Texas, still insisting. We've been very persecuted and we were very hurt and cheated through different towns, through different cities in this state of Texas and other states of this United States of North America, including internationally and in Mexico, in different areas. I've insisted with the most truth.